how-to Wing Chun lessons for both beginners to Wing Chun as well as those serious about taking their Wing Chun to the next level. When you have clowns and fake masters dominating YouTube with made-up Wing Chun and their none-of-your-business lineage, we're bringing you legit Wing Chun. You know, the kind that stands up to even the hardest and strongest pressure. The kind that appreciates tradition but isn't bound by it. And the kind that gives you direct insight to give you a leg up on anyone who wants to test you. This is Wing Chun Lessons, and I'm Sifu Adam Williss. If you promise to listen intently, take notes, and work hard, I promise to bring you the highest quality online Wing Chun lessons in the world. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the actionable Wing Chun tips I'm about to share with you.